Okay, this is showing off an experiment relating to connectors for funnel cookers or using other shiny panels. The bottom one is cords hooked onto the side of the panel with Gorilla Tape. So far it's been behaved pretty well. The next up is grommets, and those are Coca-Cola bottle rings and some stainless steel wire that's been wrapped around a metal post 3-4 times and then spiraled to hold the bottle rings together. And these are a smaller bottle ring that is actually helping keep these panels straight. These panels were experiments for increasing efficiency of the solar panel by adding a reflective panel to it. The top is a piece of PVC pipe, and the Coca-Cola rings will a PVC pipe will fit down it. Probably the next larger size of PVC pipe would be a better fit. But potential framework and connectors that can be built fairly cheaply for building panel cookers. Now we'll probably do an experiment with trying to build a panel or a box cooker type solar cooker to see how well they work. And that's about it.